In this very brief presentation, I will provide you with an overview of writing your goals paper for SLS 1122. This is one of those mandatory assignments that is required by the department. Students who do not submit the goals paper are not eligible to pass SLS 1122. So we're here on the home page. We want to scroll down to Assignment Directions and Resources. And then you see we have several different assignments that are available for us. We could do the Turn It In Late coupon, which each of you are eligible for one Turn It In Late coupon that can be used towards any assignment. There are penalties, so you just want to make sure that you take a look at the late coupon to determine when and how you can use it. It does not apply to for example, if you're doing a presentation or if you are doing something that requires it to be done in a physical classroom. If you're in an online classroom, that would not really apply, and it does not apply to any assignments turned in the last week of class. Okay, so let's go to Goals Paper, Assignment Directions and Resources. And you see here I have several links. All of these are clickable links. I have an example of a goals paper that a student had submitted in a previous course. I also have MLA formatting and college paper example for you to determine what does an MLA formatting paper look like. You also have MLA resources on the left-hand side of the navigation of the course room where it says MLA Citation Resources, which takes you directly to Valencia's online library. There's tons of great resources there for you and to assist you with MLA format. So clearly the goals paper must be in MLA format. So if you want to see what the paper is all about, you can just simply click here where it says Goal Paper Assignment Written Directions. And I already have it pulled up here, so I'm going to go ahead and bring that up. It does say it's a 2 to 3 page double-spaced paper, grammatically correct and error-free. You will identify and discuss your personal, academic, and career goals. The grading rubric is going to be in Blackboard, of course, and then if you include outside citations, which is not likely, you should follow MLA format. But please know that the setup of your paper in terms of the page number, the course name, your name, the professor name, all of that should be in MLA format, which can be found, examples can be found here in the course room. So you're going to begin, paragraph 1 is just an introduction. This is where you're going to state your thesis statement. So you want it to be a strong opening paragraph. A paragraph should be at least 3 to 5 sentences in length. Then you're going to go into your personal goal where you state your long-term personal goal adhering to the SMART criteria. I'll go over what SMART criteria is in just a second, or at least where you can find information about SMART. You want to identify why that long-term personal goal is important to you. You want to state an intermediate goal. That's a goal that's somewhere halfway between now and the time you want to complete this long-term personal goal. And then you want to state your short-term goal, which should be anywhere between 1 to 3 months probably. And then also adhere to SMART. And then you want to discuss 1 possible obstacle and 2 possible solutions. You're going to do the same thing with paragraph 3 and paragraph 4. The only difference is paragraph 3, you're going to focus on your academic goals. And then you want to add in here, include the GPA that you're striving to achieve, but you both also want to include your intermediate and your short-term goal adhering to SMART. And then a possible obstacle and 2 solutions. Again, the same thing with the career goals paragraph, and you want to specifically focus on an obstacle and 2 possible solutions. The last paragraph of your paper, so this could be a 5-paragraph paper if you write it in this order, is going to be your conclusion. You're basically going to sum up your entire paper in a nice conclusion without adding new details. Now I have included a SMART Goals worksheet for you that you can use in helping guide you to creating your long-term personal, academic, and career goals, and then also your intermediate and short-term goals for each of these long-term goals. Now remember that it must adhere to the SMART criteria, so I'm going to scroll down here. We're going back to the Goals Paper Assignment Directions and Resources area, so you'll scroll down and you can see I have a handout of SMART Goals and what SMART Goals is all about, and then I also have a video to assist you with creating SMART goals. So I'm not going to spend time here discussing that because you have these two areas. So I strongly suggest that you go back and take a look at these two areas to help you determine how your long-term goals are meeting those SMART criteria.